right. Oh, my heels right. Some bitch. Asshole. Damn. The shoulders right. First of all, I know I'm standing right.
That's it.
Embrace myself for this shit. Get my heels. People watching. Because they nosy. No. You know, I just got thoughts about somebody over here.
Racket.
Busting at me, I'm gonna tell Dad.
So let's see. All right.
Okay. I don't like, so I already don't like to hold it like that. That's what I'm seeing. Wait.
Shoot him in his neck.
In his neck? In his nuts?
Neck.
Oh, I like close to the neck. Thought I could handle this.
Yeah, you shoot.
Size don't matter. When you got shepherd blood. Oh, shit.
Safety. The button.
You didn't even let me look. Just want to make me look stupid. No. No, I know you don't. Why am I holding it like that? Damn. Damn.
Yeah,
It's another one in?
no. I only put
Oh,
one
shit.
in. You want to shoot it again?
Yeah.
All right.
Because
Yeah, I'll load it.
now that I know. Okay. You know, my
Need me to move
OCD.
some stuff out of the way?
My OCD be bothering me. OCD like a mug.
The safety is, you know where the safety is at.
I already say so.
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm just trying to decide how I want to brace myself.
Lean into it.
No, I'm talking about with my heels. I got to get that first. Get them heels ready.
Hold on. Heels.
Oh. Fuck, bitch. I don't know why I keep getting his jewels, but I don't know.
That's it.
Huh?
That's it. That's it.
Listen, I want to say this, but everybody that thought it was gonna push me back.
Yeah, you shot shit out of it.
Hell, but I look like I'm a woman. I'm a whole ass woman. I'm ambidextrous. Oh, I shot this one before. It feels familiar.
That's the one Paul teaching you with.
Yeah. See that? Man, I'm bad. I'm a bad motherfucker. Oh.
Shoot him in his stomach. Let me get rounds in his stomach.
Oh shit. What I shot in the nuts? I mean, I can't say that. Hold on. I can't say that. I can't say that. I'm sorry. say, I'm stuck on the neck. I'm sorry. My mind's like, no, we want to kill. We don't want to just wound. Oh.
All right. See if so this is the Echelon. All right, and all right, Tracy, we're gonna take some warm-up shots. First couple magazines, those will be the warm-up shot. This thing, it ain't there. Tracy. All right, Echelon. Yeah, this is the grip.
Okay. Echelon.
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 Echelon. See, you know I keep going. Do not entertain me. Echelon. I had to do it one more time.
Echelon. All right, AR-15. That's it. Well, once you close it, you close it. And that indicator right here at the top, let you know it's
The AK King about to shoot an AR. Nothing wrong with that motherfucking trip. It's pretty good. I like it. I'm impressed. Huh. I'm impressed. Oh shit, it got too much going on for me though. I'm gonna say, for me personally, I don't particularly like sights like this. I'm just gonna be honest. No shade. No shade.
Somebody else I gotta check into the range.
It's just too much for me.
I'll be back and forth.
The fuck? Let me stand right.
You like it? Okay. Now here's the AK. Shoots the same size bullet. So 223. So, which is a ZPAP 85. ZPAP 85.
Nobody saw how I did that, did they? Hazard. I'm just going.
All right, yeah, just go through it now and tell me which one you like better.
Hello. Tell me what you want. Ow, hit me in my forehead. Shit hit me right in the middle of my forehead.
Bounce off of your forehead. Damn.
Wait. Oh, I'm mad now. Woo! What's stuck behind my glasses? Hold up.
Damn. Yeah, that was called on.
Woo! What? Are you for real?
Yeah.
I'm sure. It was burning my eye.
Oh shit. Well, you handled that. You handled that well.
Of course. See,
what do you like better, the AR or the AK?
Which one you think I like better?
The AK.
Listen, no disrespect to the AR, right? But just, you know, I love boomability.
Boomability.
The boomability.
There goes that word again.
I have to have it. And honestly, it feels better in my hand. Like when I hold things in my hand, I like to feel like I like to feel it. Like, no, never mind. I don't know. Never mind. It ain't coming out right.